A greasy, overglossed dashboard isn't clean, it's just shiny and attracts dust faster than bare plastic. I tested 7 interior plastic dressings from Amazon, matte and glossy, to find which ones look right and actually protect without the grease. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys G6 HyperCoat dressing. This is your go-to option if you are looking for maximum shine. The G6 formula uses water-based technology to restore and protect vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. Application is straightforward with the spray bottle design. The finish restores color and adds depth to your dashboard and interior trim. Durability holds up through washing and weather exposure. However, the gloss finish does show dust and fingerprints more readily than matte alternatives. If you want a showroom-level shine, the Chemical Guys G6 HyperCoat is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Adams Polishes dressing. This product delivers the matte aesthetic without unwanted residue. The formula conditions and restores leather, vinyl, and plastic surfaces evenly. Built-in UV protection guards against sun damage and fading. The odorless formulation makes it pleasant to work with in enclosed spaces. Drying happens quickly and leaves a natural appearance on your interior. However, the smaller bottle size means more frequent repurchasing for regular users. For those seeking a refined, non-reflective finish, Adams Matte is a dependable choice. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Silk Shine dressing. This formula provides a natural matte-like appearance without slickness. The 32-ounce bottle offers better value per application than standard sizes. WeatherTech technology keeps the finish protected through car washes and tough conditions. It cleans and protects in a single step. The product will not leave oily or sticky residue on surfaces. However, the dry-to-touch formula may require more frequent reapplication in harsh climates. For balanced protection with a natural look, Chemical Guys Silk Shine is a practical option. At number 4, we have the KOCHCHEMIE TS Plastic and Vinyl Conditioner. This professional-grade product restores interiors to an OEM finish. The 1-liter bottle provides significant value for detailed work. The formula conditions plastic and vinyl while delivering UV protection. Application feels smooth and even across large surface areas. This German-engineered product has earned trust among professional detailers. However, the larger bottle requires proper storage to prevent spillage. For professional results on a budget, KOCHCHEMIE TS is the right option. At number 5, we have the Chemical Guys VRP, Vinyl, Rubber, and Plastic Dressing. This is the most versatile product in our lineup for multiple surface types. The dry-to-the-touch formula will not attract dust or debris. Application works well on tires, trim, and interior plastics alike. The non-greasy finish feels natural on your fingertips. Proven durability through numerous customer experiences. However, the smaller 16-ounce bottle requires more frequent repurchasing for comprehensive interior work. For general-purpose protection, Chemical Guys VRP remains a reliable standby. At number 6, we have the Adams Polishes Graphene VRT dressing. This ceramic-infused formula offers advanced protection technology. Reduced graphene oxide provides superior UV defense and water repellency. The dressing darkens and restores vinyl and rubber surfaces effectively. Application prevents sling without sacrificing protection quality. Durability extends beyond standard dressing products. However, the higher price point makes this a premium option for dedicated enthusiasts. For enhanced protection and longevity, Adams Graphene VRT is the premium choice. The last one on our list is the Malco Clean & Shine Interior Car Cleaner and Dressing. This combines cleaning and dressing functions into one convenient product. The satin non-glare finish looks natural and refined. It restores leather, plastic, and vinyl with a single application. The formula works on all interior surfaces without selective masking. One-step cleaning and protection saves time during detailing sessions. However, combination products sometimes compromise on deep cleaning ability. For convenience and efficiency, the Malco Clean & Shine is a practical choice. If you are torn between matte and glossy finishes, consider your lighting conditions and aesthetic preference. Matte dressings hide dust and fingerprints better. Glossy products deliver maximum visual impact. Either way, the products on this list will protect your interior from UV damage and premature aging. Thanks for watching, and check the description for more details on each product.